Hi everyone, missed me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video where I give you guys an update on the NUTREE Professional Brazilian Botox Expert Thermal Multi-Control Mask. I have definitely loved using this mask. I'm gonna give you an update, give you some maintenance and care tips while using this in this video. So continue watching. Jumping right into it, I did do a whole review on this Brazilian Botox Expert mask that I use from NUTREE Professionals. I will link the video in the cards up above as well as in the description box down below. All up until now, since I filmed that video, I have gotten questions and comments asking for an update. What difference have I noticed in my hair since using this product? All of that good stuff. So I'm gonna let you know, as well as give you some maintenance and care tips that I've learned from using this 3 times. So since then, I've used it 2 additional times since my previous video. So make sure you check out that video first, just so you're not confused. And now let me jump right into it. So since using the Brazilian Botox Expert mask on my hair has felt so much softer, so much smoother. Detangling it is so much easier. Even once it started to wear off, because you're supposed to reapply it once every 3 months, even after the 3 months when it started to wear off, my hair still has felt soft and smooth and easier to detangle. I cannot stress that enough. It used to take me so long, you guys, to detangle my hair. Now it's such a breeze. I still have to part my hair into 4 sections since I do have a lot of hair, but it's so much easier to detangle and my hair has felt so much softer and smoother. So in the previous video, I did go through the process of using the Brazilian Botox Expert on my hair. And so now let me just tell you about the maintenance and care tips that I've noticed since using this product. For maintenance, first I would say be careful if you are using any kind of keratin shampoo and conditioner following the usage of this product. Let me explain to you why. I did notice that if I use a keratin-based shampoo and conditioner too often on my hair, I noticed that my hair had started to kind of break off at the ends. And I think that's because my hair was getting too much protein. You cannot give your hair too much protein. Your hair has to have just enough protein, not too much but not too little. If you overload your hair with protein, what happens is your hair begins to break, which we don't want. So if you want to avoid that, just as a precaution, don't give your hair too much keratin. This is a Brazilian Botox treatment, and if you use keratin, this already has keratin in it, so you don't need to overload your hair. So what I started to do is just only use that keratin-based shampoo and conditioner like once every 2 weeks. And I noticed that my hair started breaking off less. It wasn't really bad, but it was enough to the point where I was like, okay, maybe I need to slow down on the keratin-based treatment. If you want an updated how do I straighten my hair tutorial, just let me know in the comment section down below. I have no problem getting that out for you guys. I love when you guys ask me to do videos like that, because then it gives me a reason to make the content just for you guys to watch. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Now on to another maintenance and care tip. I noticed that when I am actually applying the Brazilian Botox Expert treatment, I noticed that I have to open up all of the windows and put the fan on and make sure that the room is well ventilated, because if not, your eyes will burn. Just a heads up for the application process. Your eyes will burn if you are not in a well ventilated room. So I have to turn the fan on, I have to open up the windows just to make sure there's enough ventilation in the room in which I am applying this. Now, another maintenance and care tip that I have noticed since using this, my hair obviously is much healthier, much smoother. You can see it's so much shinier and definitely easier for me to detangle. But look at the shine. Look at the movement. It's not stiff at all. shine and movement. I still have to put my hair into 4 sections since I do have a lot of hair, as I mentioned, and I have to detangle each section carefully. That's pretty much it for all of my maintenance and care tips. I hope you all enjoyed this updated video. My hair just still feels soft, smooth. It's still easier to detangle. No problems, no issues, no worries since using this product. It is a thermal multi-control mask. It promises anti-frizz, hydration, and reconstruction of the hair, which I also always get whenever I use this treatment on my hair. My hair feels so soft, so smooth. It doesn't get frizzy as quickly as it used to before or prior to using this treatment. My hair used to get so frizzy. If there was a little bit of moisture outside or a little bit of humidity, forget it. My hair was so frizzy. Since using this, my hair isn't as frizzy, and it does feel hydrated, and it does feel much softer, smoother, as well as stronger, which is very important. This has marine collagen, glutamic acid, and prunus oil in it. So that all definitely aids in helping your hair feel softer, smoother, healthier, shinier, and all of that. Again, I used it 3 times, so this is my 3rd treatment of this, and I still have a lot left. If you look at it, I still have a lot left in here, so it definitely goes a long way. And you're supposed to put not too much on each section of your hair, but I discussed all of that in the previous video that I've done. If you want to know more about the application process as well as other tips I give for the application process, then make sure you check out the video at the end of this video, or it's going to be linked in the description box down below as well as in the cards. So check it out so you will all know exactly what I'm talking about, and then come back to this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and me, as well as live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload Wednesdays and Sundays with an additional video throughout the week. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout my video, and I will check you all out in my next video. Bye guys.